walking down here years ago, and it was just regular street. But that's how it all started in Koh San. It's great. A lot of little places, restaurants, guest houses, just like the old Thailand. Obviously a converted street. They've also nice little restaurants, nice and quiet. It's the side alleys off to the main road. It's at the back of the temple, which is on.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
Hi. Where you from?
America. To drive this. Yeah, this seems to be a nice chilled out place. A lot of young backpackers from all over the place. Nice to see. Nice to see. Not your lager louts. Then again, it's early. You could be doing it. Yeah, it's a cool little street. Lots of open air cafes. Little Thai buildings. That's what I love to see, these little old streets. Converted now. Cute. Where to get the boat from. Thought it was over here. I want to go that way. Oh, we're at the end of the line. The old cannons. Over the river to the fort, the temple, to the main Rama highway. Sorry, the view's not so good. They got plastic sheeting up. Get the boat into Bangkok. 15 baht. I highly recommend these boats, guys. If you're in Koh San Road, you want to get to town quick, get on one of these. Total cost 15 baht. I'm dropped drops you right at MBK, or I'm at the very end of the line, which is Pratamna. Awesome. That's the big central shopping, Central World. Yep, Central World brings you right out there. For tonight. Wow, that's one big complex, Central World. That's a huge mall. I bet you can get everything in there. I'll probably visit it tomorrow. There you go, that's the Gaison Village. That's your Louis Vuitton, Gucci restaurants. Top of the line. A little bit overcast, but it's hot as hell today. Humid as hell. There's a prime real estate down there available. A few $1 billion.